What's going on? Well, as you can see, I got a bunch of books in here. So hopefully, if you haven't ordered yours yet, you can go to the website tommymac.us and I'll be happy to send you one out. These ones over here are just the books in the box. You see that? That's for selling them in person or whatever. And these ones over here, they're all pre-packed, numbered, and all that other stuff. So they're ready to ship out too. A couple of weeks ago, I was working on this Demone table. It's finally back from the finisher. What do you think? Nice, right? This is a really great project for a confidence builder because it's half complicated, but not too difficult. So you can get it done relatively quickly without spending a lot of money. Then you end up with a really neat project. It's cool, right? I dig it. What else is going on? The guys from Felder came in and tuned up all my machinery, so that's good. Everything's working perfectly, and I finally got my dust collection squared away, so I'm not tripping over the hoses anymore. So you got the connector boxes in, and it's looking good. I'm actually psyched. I did the investment and went through the time to do my due diligence and get it set up right. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out how to cut the legs for 20 stools, 10 cherry and 10 maple, and that'll give me a really good idea on what it's going to take to small batch manufacture the stools, right? And I'm going to be making kits, like I was saying before. So my plan is to offer kits to you guys that are across the country that just want to build a stool, right? And also to do a seminar maybe twice a month on the stool, then have you guys come in and bash one together for yourself. All right, well, like I said, if you haven't picked up a book yet, I'd appreciate it if you did. Go to tommymac.us, click onto the link, and I'll be more than happy to send you out one of these awesome books. All right, bye-bye.